So as you seen here, like we have added the DTO for your the add wala part, na? But like how to add this DTO for your fetch? For like let's say fetch wala operations I want here. Okay, so what we have to add it here for the fetch then. So for that, we will just first do the comment for this. Okay, let's say one data like I'll add it, and what we have to add here, db dot managers dot, instead of adding the tool list it's directly going inside the model, na? The reference it is checking, but I don't want the reference, we just want the manager DTO. Like so basically see, like when you are going to like retrieve some data, so for the retrieval of the data, like what you have to do, say for adding the data, like we'll convert the manager into the manager DTO. Yes or no?
Yes.
No, the not from manager to manager, manager DTO to manager. We are sending the data from manager DTO to manager, na? But for the fetching time, like we are not responding the manager data. We are taking the data from manager DTO. We are taking data from the manager DTO and not from the manager model. It means we are converting from manager to manager DTO for fetching one. So see here, like we are performing like the one operation, that is select what field like we are going to select over there. So here like we'll pass one lambda expression, x dot, don't add this, just pass like the object of the DTO, that is manager DTO, and pass curly braces open close dot to list. Like that, see this operation will go, and now the manager DTO, it will just ask for the manager DTO all field only which is responding. So like I want both of the field, na, here MID. So for the MID, like I'll just fetch the data from X, na, which is holding the data from manager DTO, comma mname is equals to x dot mname. Are you getting this thing? So now only two details are present over there, na, in MID and mname, not other things. And can I return this data now here? What we'll do, like we'll run it and we'll check the like the debugger now what data it is responding over there. Here like I am just converted only the managers to manager DTO, so will not give like the reference over there. Any confusion? Yes, see. So while the fetching the managers here, try it out, execute it. See the debugger here. So it is checking for this model creating part while is there, na, the reference. See this data is passed now from this. We'll check what data we are getting now, the to count. So can you see there is no reference now, only the manager data which we are looking, and just do the continue, so it will able to fetch it. Same for the employees, how the operation will go there for the employees.
But we want the manager reference there, not the manager name, which manager should.
So for that again, like we'll just create one DTO But now the thing is what in a EMP DTO the M name is not present.
Yes.
Here I cannot add the M name because it will like when you'll go to add the operation, so for add operation also it will ask for the M name then. So what I can do, like I can I create like one more DTO here? Yes, for the fetch. It's 2. Okay, and what details we have to pass over there? We'll take from the same, this one. Also need to add like the one more field, na here, which one? M name. Correct. So now I want this M name also, so like I just go with this. And how the EMP controller will look there for the fetch wala part? We'll comment this where data is equals to dot include na reference x dot, and here we'll pass the select. Same will take the lambda expression. New will create the object of DTO2 na here, not 1. Curly braces open close na here, and you just need to pass the field. But the thing is here like one more drawback is there. If suppose the EMP model which is containing, or like EMP DTO which is containing the 1000 field, so when you will pass like the thousands all of the field na, then only it will fetch the all 1000 fields. But just tell me, is this like better way to go with this? Now it is fine, the 4 to 5 fields are there, but if in some cases like there are 1000 fields are there, so we cannot write it na, whichever the things you are write inside these things na, that only it will display it, not other things. It means now what fields are present over there in a EMP DTO? EID also I can take it na, but the EID will take it from the. So will it display like all of the fields now?
No.
Only EID, because I have written only the EID. Are you getting these things? Means like the 1000 fields are there, like you need to like write that all of the 1000 fields, then only it will give it. Correct. So in that cases like we have to go for that AutoMapper which will map like all of the fields in a single line only. No need to write that field name. Okay, so on the DTOs, like with the DTO AutoMapper is also helping us. So first of all we'll see ename, x dot from the DTOs field na only, MID, x dot, M name is not present, so in a X like we have the reference, and now here we'll get it the M name, but again we'll get the chances of the null na, if it is not equals to null, ternary operator, or else it will show no manager. We're checking like the manager na, if the manager is not null, then show the manager name, or else they show no. Dot. Yes, understood this thing? We'll see the result. So previously it was giving the error after passing this debugger. See here, the fetch wala from the employees na here. Try it out. We'll pass debugger here. can see it's returning now response. Details is also like showing, na,
Yes.
which manager like we have assigned over there. The thing is what, like only the one drawback for that, like need to work on it,
AutoMapper will help.
AutoMapper, because for what, for this field, na, there are many fields are there, so how we can take it, na.
Yes.
So to avoid this field, we can take help of the AutoMapper. Okay, so